My computer totally crashed right as I was working on adding the controller. I'll delete this again. Controller variable again. Controller. Wait, no. What did I call it? I called it master something. I thought it was master AI. Okay, call it stored controller. Save the name. And on our possess, set a stored controller. Cast AI master. Let's convert it to appear. Set the controller. And then we're going to go into the controller and variable stored pawn. My AI character. Compile. Let's see, we need to go back into characters and set stored on self. I gotta try and remember why I was putting this in. See, needed. Oh yeah, it's right here. Needed to get our stored pawn so we could then get the world location of that pawn. Let's see if that works. It's pretty much working. See, these are probably switched. B. So it looked like it was going from. I don't think they're not getting the reference right. this needs to get a controlled actor to be able to work. What we can do is we're going to come back into attack enemy owner is the control pawn, and we can come into attack, get rid of all of this, say get owner, get their location. Because I think these were right, but the reference was invalid. And that should do it. Extremely laggy because this program. Oh. So it was on the wrong side and does need to be flip-flopped. And so if you set this attack setting up on, like I said, the video where, woo, there I go. That was kind of funny. I think I collided with it, and then it couldn't leave me. Let's see, we'll do, so I want to make sure that it does go towards it before we wrap this up. I'm going to do this, we're going to plus this vector a little bit so we don't collide with it. I mean, normally the best thing to do would be to turn collision off from like them two colliding, but not the enemy you want to hit. We're just gonna say this is 250 on the Z, so he spawns it above his head. Stop running. Whee, there we go. It's still shooting off. Okay. I'm gonna do a little custom collision for them real quick then. Let's see. We need our attack. I'm gonna make the sphere. We're going to use a custom collision. I'm gonna overlap pawns, but then block everything else. See if that works. Probably gonna have to change settings in my character as well for it to work. Oop. That's what I was talking about. If accidentally, I didn't think I clicked on them. If I click on the ground, because I didn't set the boolean of actually attacking. Really, it just kind of flips true. Capsule component. Custom. We want to let's make I'm gonna make this attack. It's not going to be world dynamic. We're going to call it a vehicle that you can overlap, so it can overlap itself, and then the character can overlap vehicles, and pile, so now it shouldn't even matter if they spawn on top of them. Oh wait, goddamn idiot! We just set the ball to literally move towards our player, not the goddamn enemy. Okay. We need to. Where is the attack? Get rid of this. Cast to our AIS characters are the ones with it. Convert to pure cast. We're gonna get our enemy and then get its location. Where? I never even saw it. Where the hell was it? We're going to have to print the stream. This is on the tick, so make it 0 seconds. And we'll see what this loop vector is. Okay, so I see them spawning repeatedly. Where are they? Unless these are somehow reversed again. I don't think that's the case, though. They're over at the box. Maybe they're just moving too fast. Not moving. I'm not getting an error. We know that cast is not failing. We'd get an error if that cast was failing. Why? What is going on here? Why do you not want to work? Do an append. This is another good thing for debugging to find out what's happening. Go spaces and an empty one, so it's got a little bit of a gap. We do tax location. So where it's actually at and where it wants to go to. Actually see that. Play. Now it's showing 0. What the hell? Now I'm seeing a message for set actor location. Oh, I'm still doing that in here. That's probably not helpful. We're gonna finish this execute after we spawn, and then delete that. That should fix it. No. It's spawning and not moving. It's saying it's basically spawning at location it's moving to. Let's see. Enemy's location. Okay, so it says it's at the enemy location. I think I was correct. It's supposed to be this way. And it's going to, because now it should have some numbers, yeah. Okay, there we go, now it's working. Apparently it was just being a dick. And it's going super slow now. So let's bring the speed up a little bit. Oh. Now he's shooting off into the distance because he doesn't know what to shoot at. Now there we go. There gets you a little attack. I mean, what would turn our loop off would be based on many different things. You might not want to use a lerp. As you could see, it slows down as it gets to the person. Maybe you do want that, maybe you don't. Lerp is just one of the ways we can move it. But, you know, you would check for when the enemy was hit, if he was killed, you could stop attacking, you know, or when you click off, would, like, if you click somewhere to move your character, the attack boolean would flip and stop attacking. So there's many ways to turn it off. I mean, that is going to come up to what you want for yours, as of what turns it off, and actually what turns it on as well. As I said in the beginning of this, mine's through a little AI system. You might want yours through a player system or any other sort. But this gets us our little attack with a basic alert for location to get towards it. It shows the math for player or mouse clicks. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful.